Today, I'll show you how to unlink Zoom from HoneyBook, a process that's quick and straightforward but essential if you're looking to manage your integrations efficiently. Whether you're switching platforms or just need a fresh start, unlinking Zoom from HoneyBook is a simple way to streamline your digital workspace. To begin with, you'll want to log in to your HoneyBook account. Make sure you use the correct credentials for seamless access. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of the screen where you'll see your profile photo. Clicking on this will open a menu with various options related to your account. In this menu, look for the option labeled Company Settings and give it a click. This section is where you can manage various aspects of your HoneyBook account, including integrations, which is exactly what we need for this task. Navigating through these settings helps you customize HoneyBook to better suit your business needs, ensuring that your account is aligned with your current operational requirements. Once inside the company settings, you'll see a tab named Integrations. This is where all your connected apps and services are listed, allowing you to manage them in one convenient location. Integrations can be incredibly helpful, providing seamless communication between different platforms, but sometimes you need to disconnect an app like Zoom for various reasons, such as reducing clutter, troubleshooting issues, or switching to a different video conferencing service. Scroll through your list of integrations until you find the section dedicated to Zoom. This section contains all the relevant details about the Zoom integration, including options to manage or remove it. When you locate the Zoom section, you'll see a button labeled Disconnect. Clicking on this button will begin the process of unlinking Zoom from HoneyBook. Before you proceed, it's worth noting that disconnecting Zoom will halt any automated processes between the two platforms. So if you rely on Zoom for scheduling or meeting links directly through HoneyBook, those features will no longer function until you reconnect. Be sure you're ready to make this change and that it won't disrupt your workflow. Once you're certain, go ahead and click the disconnect button. At this point, HoneyBook and Zoom will be unlinked, and you'll receive a confirmation message indicating that the disconnection was successful. This confirmation is your cue that the process is complete, and you can now proceed with any further steps you might have planned, whether it's integrating a new conferencing tool or simply managing your settings without Zoom. And there you have it, a quick and efficient way to unlink Zoom from HoneyBook. By following these steps, you can easily manage your integrations and keep your HoneyBook account tidy and organized. Remember, keeping your digital tools streamlined not only helps you stay organized, but also enhances your productivity by reducing unnecessary clutter. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks on managing your digital workspace. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.